Another video lecture on control system. The question is write the state equation for the block diagram given below, in which x1 of t and x2 of t and x3 of t constitute the state vector. Determine whether the system is completely controllable and observable. So first let me take this equation. So at this point, this is x1 of s, right? This is x1 of s. So I can write this, how to write this x1 of s from this equation, considering only this one. Okay, this and this one. I can write x1 of s is equal to 2 into 2 divided by s into s plus 1. Okay. So this is x2 of x. This is x2 of s minus x3 of s, right? So the output of this one is x2 of s minus x3 of s, right? So I can write this one as s square plus s into x1 of s 2 into x2 of s minus 2 into x3 of s. So I can write s square x1 of s plus s into x1 of s is equal to 2x2 of s minus 2 into x3 of s. So on taking the inverse Laplace transform, I will get x1 of t double dot plus x1, because I have only s. So I'm going to give only one dot, that is equal to 2x2 of t minus 2x3 of t. Okay, so this is my first equation. So I can write x3 of s. This is x3 of s. That is equal to s into x1 of s. So x3 of t is equal to x1 of t. This is my second equation. So from the third block, considering this block alone, so I can write x2 of s. x2 of s is equal to 2 divided by s plus 3 into u of s minus x1 of s, right? u of s minus x1 of s into 2 divided by s plus 3. So I will get x1 s x2 of s plus 3 x2 of s is equal to 2 u of s minus 2 x1 of s. So on solving, I will get on taking the inverse Laplace transform, I will get x2 of t dot plus 3 into x2 of t is equal to 2 into u of t minus 2 into x1 of t. Okay. So the state equation generally it will look like this. Okay. So you have to substitute x1 of t, x2 of t, x3 of t. This must be equal to some matrix into x1 of t, x2 of t, x3 of t plus some matrix into u of t. This is how it is. Okay. 2 minus 2 into x1 of t minus 3 into x2 of t, 0 into x3 of t plus 0 into x3 of t, and you have 2 here. Okay. So next from the second equation, on the second equation, I can write this is 1. Okay. So you will get 0, 0, 1, and u of t also 0. So from the indication, so if I differentiate this one, I will get x3 dot of t is equal to x1 double dot of t. So this is my fourth equation. So you substitute the fourth equation in the first equation. So you will get x3 dot of t plus x1 dot of t is equal to 2x2 of t minus 2, instead of x of 3 of t, x1 dot of t. I'm going to substitute x1 dot of t. Okay. So you get the answer as x3 dot of t is equal to 2x2 of t minus 3x1 dot of t. Okay. So what is x1 dot of t? x1 dot of 3 t is x3, right? x3 of t. So you substitute it here. 2x2 of t minus 3x3 of t. So now we substitute on this matrix. So x3 dot of t, I can substitute. You have 2x2 of t. So it is 2x2 of t minus 3x2 of t. This is also 0 and this is also 0. So this is how you have to form the state vectors. Okay. So how to find whether this one is controllable and observable means here this matrix represent my a value and this matrix represent my p value. Okay. Next, you need to find the value of y of t, right? So we know that at the output you have x1 of t, right? So on differentiating, you will get y of t is equal to x1 of t. Okay. So the second write it as 1, 0, 0 of x of t. Okay. X of 1, 0, 0 of x1 of t, x2 of t, x3 of t. Okay. So this leaves your C value. Okay. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.